Hello, here we have 1500 kVA diesel genset containerized in a 40 feet high cube container. This has a robust design to enable easy access to the engine overhaul. This genset is powered by 4000 series engine by Perkins. Our team specializes in manufacturing diesel gensets in containers 20 feet, 40 feet and 40 feet high cube to meet the global standards. To reduce the genset noise level and to meet the customer specification, we have insulated doors, the walls and the ceilings. Speaking of maintenance, this generator is designed in a way which we have a large amount of space for the service team to work with. We have insulated doors to cover the control panel and the breaker box, and for safety we have an emergency stop button. If you are looking for big diesel generators for data centers, mining operation and mega industries, contact us today.